Hello. In this video, I will show you how to connect your smartwatch to your phone using the HiwatchPro application. As you can see, the time on my phone and my smartwatch are not matching. The time will update automatically after connecting the watch to your phone. The first step is to scan the QR code on your smartwatch to make sure the watch is using the HiwatchPro application. If your watch is using any other application like FitPro, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these smart watches. Download HiwatchPro application from your application store. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone. Open the HiwatchPro application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video. As you can see, the smartwatch has been connected to my phone using the HiwatchPro application, and the time has been updated automatically. Here is a video with 10 possible solutions if you are having connection problems. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.